4 countries, 4 missions, 4 pieces, and you did not fail a single one. Now the trophy is waiting to be assembled. But here's the thing, the 4 pieces will only come together when the guardian who recovered them proves they are truly ready. All right, skill 1 from Mexico, the drag back. Which part of the foot do we use? The sole. Sole on top, drag it back. Here we go. 1 and 2. Yes, nice job. Skill click. This is Simon Says, Guardian style. Here are the rules. Rule 1, I will call out a skill by name. You only do it if I say Simon Says first. If I call the skill without saying Simon Says, you do not move, not even a little. Are you ready? Simon Says, game on. Simon says, drag back. Sole on top, drag it back. Yes, beautiful. The first piece is coming down. Simon says, toe taps. Toes on top, light touches. Yes, the second piece is yours. Windshield wipers. I did not say Simon Says. Did you catch that? Guardian ears are working. Keep listening. All 4 pieces are floating together, but they are not locked yet. There is one final thing we need to do to stitch them all together. Simon Says, tic-tocs. Inside foot, soft touches. Keep going, 10, 9, 8. Keep stitching it together. 7, 6, you could see it happening. 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, 1. The trophy is assembled. The final match can begin.
Game on!